intuitively, let's say this is 8. How big is 2? Now, if 8's this big, you're going to tell me that, well, half of that would be 4 and half of that would be 2, right? So here's, let's say, 2. So you know the answer is probably going to be bigger than 10% and less than 50%. And you probably see already it's going to be 25%. Okay? But if you don't see it, we're going to calculate it. Okay, so now this is one of the few places in a pre-calculus course where decimals are going to be what you want to use, okay? Most other things you're going to be, if you're dealing with fractional quantities, you're going to represent them as improper fractions, not even mixed numbers. We almost never need mixed numbers here, but you certainly need to understand them, so yeah, it's a good thing it was in the assignment because you want to review that a little bit. But okay, 2/8 equals 1/4. And 1/4, if you calculate it, is 0.25. And you should know how to do the long division, because long division becomes important about 1/3 of the way through pre-calculus course. Because you're going to do long division with polynomials, with expressions like x minus 5 and x squared plus 7x plus 3 and stuff like that. So you need to understand long division. I'm going to digress. And to show you the long division here, 4 goes into, no, not 4, 8. We'll just do 8 into 2. I should have done 4 into 1 because that's what we have here, but I'll do 8 into 2. Okay, well, decimals up here, and 2 times 8 is 16, right? And if you don't understand long division, again, let me know. I can find it in my open math, I think. Okay? We don't get a lot of stuff on basic arithmetic in open math, but I'm pretty sure we get long division. Most of what I get if I search for long division is with the polynomials. I think this is more focused on college level math and some algebra. But I think I can find it, and if not, I'll find something else. Okay, so anyhow, 2 times 8 is 16. You subtract the 16 from the 20, and you get 4. You bring down the 0, and you get 5. 5 times 8 is 40. There you got it. Look familiar? How long has it been since you actually did long division? In years. Hold up your fingers. Tell me, how long has it been since you actually had to do a long division? About 3 years? Don't know because, you know, back before, and whatever, okay? So, you must have had to do much long division. You want to understand it, because to understand functions, you got to understand the numbers, percents, fractions, and again, in preparing for pre-calculus, which is your goal here, you're going to have to understand long division. Okay, so there it is. So, .25 is 25 over 100, right? Or 25 per 100. You know, that slash means like per, okay? or 25%, which is Latin for 100. So I use C for 100 in Roman numerals. Okay? Or 25%. Okay? You really want to look at that and think about it, remind yourself of it. So you don't lose track of what percent means. Maybe you haven't lost track of what percent means, but I saw a lot of shakiness with percents out there. Okay, briefly, 50% more than 6. And I'm going to just kind of swap this in here because it's officially out of time. You have class to go to, I have a class coming in. .50 times 6 is 3. 50% is .50.
Oh my God.
So 50% more than 6 is 3 plus 6 plus 3, which is 9. Okay. Just think about what the words mean. And 30% less than 20. Well, real quickly, 0.30 times 20 equals 6. That's 20 minus 6, which is 14.